Good day, traders. I welcome you all to another episode. Today we're talking about order block flow, and also, which is also known as breakout and retest. So, I made a last video on support and resistance. If you haven't watched, you can actually go back and watch and see what support and resistance is, because what I'm going to be explaining right now is another simple explanation which is carrying this previous video. So it's just basically how I trade. Like I said, on this channel I'll be explaining how I trade, the essence of strategy, how I execute my trade, and just simple as it's very simple. You don't want to like stay much, and this strategy gives you a very good risk to reward, very high top risk to reward, guys. That is more reason I love this strategy. It gives you a good risk to reward. So let's say for resistance, price is giving up higher high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, and another higher high, lower low right here to this point. Now just follow me as I explain this strategy for you. You will get it. Now this is where most traders will place their sell limit from. They'll place their sell limit from, and stop loss will be above to target this point. It's not really bad, but for me, I wouldn't take the sell from there. So as a smart trader, this is how you take your trade. You come to this point. Just follow me, guys. This is very simple. You wouldn't want to like start seeing that big losses, 20 pip stop, 30 pip stop, 50 pip stop. It's too much, guys. It's too much. So in order for you to cut those big stop loss, you want to understand this concept and know how it flows. It's very easy, guys. Very easy. This strategy gives you good risk to reward and a very tight stop loss. So now this is where the order block flow means. Now at this point, you wouldn't enter from here, sir, because sometimes you see price might just break out and still take you out, right? So as a smart trader, you wait for price to take down this low, this recent low right here, or any of this low, either this low or this low. I'll prefer this recent low. So price will come down here. You see price coming down and retrace back to this same point. So this is more like a breakout and retest. When price was coming down from this point and price pulled up, price was coming back to the same place, just the way it keep doing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It was about to go in higher high, but price couldn't break this high. That is another confluence. Now price broke out of this recent low, so there will always be a pullback. So this is what you call order block flow. Some other traders will tell you this is breakout and retest. Anyway, whichever way, it's all the same, guys. All the same. So you see price starts dropping down. Now the reason why I love this strategy is because most of the time, if you're going to take a trade from this resistance point, at times you see price start ranging, and you just stuck in the market, keep ranging, stuck in the market, ranging and stuff. It's really annoying. Don't be stuck out of this market. You want to wait and see if price is going to take out. Definitely, sometimes you see price will just take everybody out, because price is really attracted with those liquidity up here, and after taking everybody out, to still come down, and then you will not see me here as a smart trader sell it from this point. And the reason why I like this strategy is because price won't like stay long before smashing your TP. When you get this right, you see price start going to your direction massively, like it's just been going speed. You can just see a spike, just he smashed TP. So this gives you a very high win rate, guys. Same thing applies here. You want to see price take down, give you a good trade from this point right here. Let's put our stop loss to this point, and yeah, right? Still want to reduce your stop loss a little bit. Good. So let's go to the chart and let me show you how the trade works right here. This is GBP/USD. Now if you follow me on this chart right here, you will see that I don't take trade from this resistance point. This is, you see me here, right? You won't see me in this trade, right? You won't see me in this trade. You won't see me in any of this trade. So these are the points that you have to take note of. You won't see me right here. This place I'm marking with red. You will not see me there. You will not see me here either. You will not see me here taking trade. You will not see me here taking trade. This is bad, very, very bad. You can take trade from here because it's coming for other block flow right here, right? So even when this other block flows came right here, I didn't even bother myself taking it because I was still waiting for a confluence. So other block flow can actually stand as a resistance for you, and definitely you will not see me here most of the time, but it works as well. It still gives you a very good win rate, but I don't like taking trade. I want to see price from the resistance level and giving me that breakout and retest, and that is where you see me taking trade from. So at this point you will not see me taking trade from this point. You will not see me taking trade from here. This is me here. After price broke out, you see this range. This took about how many minutes? 30. I don't really want to count how many minutes, but that would take you for almost an hour, or if not close. Yeah. So but after price broke out, you see me taking my trade from this imbalance right here. I'll be teaching you guys what imbalance is, or fair value gap, on the next video. Just stick to the channel. So right here, I will not take a trade from this point. You will see me here taking a trade and see how I will smash TP because I already know where price is heading to. And this point, you will not see me taking prior trade here. You will see me here because here it becomes my I'll start looking here as my next resistance point. You can see how price was just rejecting from this area right here, but you will see me here after price is taking out this low. This is me here, right? And same thing applies here. Price broke out. Sweet, right? This is so sweet, guys. This strategy is going to give you good risk to reward. Same thing applies here. You will not see me here, and you will see me here. So that is just how I took my trade. But not every time the trade, the setup actually goes according to plan. If you check this other block flow after breakout, it was so close. This market did not trigger this trade, so I had to let it go. Even when you can see how its price dropped down massively, right? So I had to let it go. So after having a confluence for a change of character and a candlestick confirmation here, you will not see me here either. You will not see me taking trade from this point for buys yet. I want to see a confirmation right here. Then same thing applies for the bullish trend. This is the bullish trend right here, and yep, you see other block flow, a breakout and retest. You can see that right, breakout and retest. I'm here. Same thing applies, a breakout and retest. Different opportunity to take this trade. So this trade will gives you top high win rates. After I get to this point, right, you see this other resistance here. You will not see me here either. You will not see me taking trade from this point right here. It's bad. That's a red sign. I wait for price to take down the low, and I took a trade from that value gap. That's about 98 target profit smashed. That's a lot of money, guys. Same thing applies here. That's just the truth, guys. I just opened the secret, you know. So I hope this has really helped a lot, and this will actually help you to become a better trader. So I'll just end the video right here. If you have any question, please do it to drop your question. Kindly drop a question in the comment section, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.